For smokers, get rid of phlegm accumulated over the years. Ingredients: garlic, ginger powder, lemons, honey water. When it comes to getting rid of phlegm, garlic offers several benefits. 1. Antibacterial and antiviral effects. 2. Anti-inflammatory action. 3. Immune system booster. 4. Natural decongestant. 5. Antioxidant effects. 6. Mucolytic properties. 7. Detoxifying properties. 8. Respiratory health support. When it comes to getting rid of phlegm, ginger offers several benefits. 1. Ginger helps loosen and expel phlegm from the respiratory system. 2. Ginger reduces inflammation in the airways, relieving congestion and phlegm. 3. Ginger fights off infections that contribute to excessive phlegm production. 4. Ginger strengthens the immune system to combat respiratory issues. 5. Ginger clears nasal passages, reducing phlegm buildup. 6. Ginger helps break down and thin mucus, aiding its elimination. 7. Ginger soothes respiratory tissues, reducing coughing and phlegm. 8. Ginger protects the respiratory system from oxidative damage. 9. Ginger aids digestion, preventing phlegm formation due to digestive issues. 10. Ginger supports overall respiratory health, preventing phlegm-related problems. When it comes to getting rid of phlegm, lemon offers several benefits. 1. Rich in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system. 2. Acts as a natural expectorant, helping to expel phlegm. 3. Antibacterial properties that combat the underlying infections causing excess phlegm. 4. Helps to thin and loosen mucus, making it easier to clear. 5. Soothes sore throat and irritation caused by excessive phlegm. When it comes to getting rid of phlegm, honey offers several benefits. 1. Natural cough suppressant, reducing coughing and phlegm production. 2. Soothes and coats the throat. 3. Antibacterial properties that help fight respiratory infections contributing to phlegm. 4. Acts as an expectorant, promoting the expulsion of phlegm from the respiratory system. 5. Provides relief from congestion and helps clear nasal passages.